Hi everybody, Kay Toretto here. So for today's video, actually this vlog is just an extra vlog. I'm not really supposed to make any vlog for today, but I just feel that something special is gonna happen. So let's do this. So again, don't expect anything special on this vlog. I don't know, man, don't expect anything, and then suddenly it's gonna become special. But really, we're just gonna have dinner, and then after this, we're gonna go I don't know, I think we're just gonna do walk lang. Ito na naman kami sa Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum everybody. So yeah, first we're gonna go ahead. Ano ba? We're gonna go ahead for a dinner, and then let's see after that what's gonna happen. So I'm good, my friend. I cannot see you. So yeah, that's it. Come with us as we go have a dinner with one of our friends. I'll see you there. So I'm really gonna do my best to make this vlog as short as possible and as entertaining as possible. I don't know, let's just see what I can do for tonight. Let me do what I can do, and okay, that's it. And Kashifa? Is that Kashifa? They stop for us. The motorcycle. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Ay, ganda ko. Gago. Yung mga pimple ko na gano'n na. You know, every time, every country I am visiting, I know, and ano ba? I always get pimple. Like it starts in the forehead, then, but then I'm scared. See ya. Shoota. This is the place. See, it's village. Aray. Yung puro ka reklamo. Naalala ko nga pala, village nga pala. Ito malamang ma-humps. Diba? I'm in the mood, you know why? I'm in the mood, you know why? I'm in the mood. You know why? The shower is cold. and the TikTok. See, even if it's hot, I really did my best to ano ba? Hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Everybody, again, the motorcycle. Hoy, alam mo, talagang itong motorcycle na to, hindi ako titigilan nito. I love motorcycle, by the way. Back in the Philippines, I always do rides. Like, my favorite and the go-to spot is in Antipolo. The Sierra Madre. My God, I miss it a lot. Or I miss the Philippines tuloy. I miss the Philippines tuloy, Patan. If you go there, really, you can ride one of our motorcycles as well. It's good. I thought his house is in the mountain. So why here? Yung pupuntahan namin, the place that we're going today, his house is located on top of the mountain. Mountain. Gusto ko sa autofocus na to. Lagi nawawala. Wala akong tigyawat, naubos na, oh. Adjusted na ako. But after mga few days again, pag may mga, if I eat no food, yan, it will happen again. We're already here. Hello. Hoy, we have arrived, sorry. Ito na pala kami. Oh my God, my baby is here. Hello, assalamualaikum. Okay, sure, sorry. Hi, why you're not happy? He's sad. Hindi ko kasi siya na-replyan kanina. Tawag siya ng tawag. Naliligo nga ako, diba? He's sad. I'll show you his face. Sulaiman! Why are you sad? Bad trip siya. So, nag-reply. Everybody, we have arrived. We are here. There's a lot of stones here. See? Kita ba? See, kita naman. Wala siya sa mood. Sinundo niya kasi ako kanina. Tapos, ano ba? Di ko kasi makita.
Oh, in the line.
Hawakan mo na lang ako para ano, madali na to. Ganda ko. Kagong ganda ko today. Beautiful. Look. Look in the camera. Ganda ko, diba? Gago. Shoota ka. Where is Zilhak? Zilfuck. Okay.
Sorry.
Wait nga, I'll show you the place. Is it Apsar? That's Apsar or no?
No, no.
Sure? Pwede mo kasara uluhan mo. Buisit ka talaga. Zilhak, he is the one who invited us today. Say hi.
Hi. For the water, drink water.
Sheikh Mos. Assalamualaikum. Apsar Ali, the brother of Mukhtar once. Si Apsar. Apsar. Mabebetan to ng mga nag-ano. Let's go. Sheikh Mos, tantanan mo ako. Hoy, hawakan niyo ako. Wala akong makita. Talaga naman, Apsar Ali. The brother of Mukhtar, I will sell you in the Philippines. 1N Max, ano to? ADB, oh. Malaki yung pumili. Shake, tara. Tara na. Ha! Talaga naman. Hoy! Taray naman pala ng lupain ni Zilhak. Ay, Zilhak. Talaga naman. Ang electric fan nasa taas, nakatutok. See? I like here. I will sleep here.
Oh, okay, sleep here.
And then the Prague, no. Okay, no. I forget it. I don't like na.
Really bago.
So we are in the meeting the Abansi for today's video. Wait, he's your brother?
Yes.
Say mother?
Yes.
Brother, huh? Yeah. Okay. Hello. Salam alaikum. I'm shy.
Why?
Because first time I meet him. Why?
I'm just asking.
He's showing the place. See? I like this place. It's so it's so cool. It's so cool. It's so malamig. Presko. Ay, alam nyo, one of the best people to band with here is Sheikh Mosa. Kasi you can make him easily laugh about everything. See? Tara dito. Oh. Kinukulit ko. Sabi ko, buntis ako. Hold the camera. Hawakan mo. Tala mo. May joke ako. I'm gonna tell him a joke. See his reaction. Minsan tumatalon pa to. You know, sometimes when he's too much happy, he's even jumping. Wala.
Wala po.
Akin na nga. Mahahampas kita ng malala dun. Buisit ka talaga. O, diba? O, hindi pa siya recovered. Check. Pulang-pula na agad yan. Tala mo. Check! Natauhan na yung bebe ko. Tumabi na. Bad trip siya kanina. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Oh, may trap ang tubig. Nag-smile na siya. Happy na siya. Ewan ko bakit siya bad trip kanina. Wait nga. Ganda ko talaga. Kala mo hindi ako pango. Kung maka-asta ako, kala mo ang tangas ng ilong ko. Kala mo 23 yung bewang ko. Naku, Apsar Ali.
So, Apsar Lita.
Why are you angry today?
My brother.
Hindi ko galit dahil mo ang pag-iirap. Nakasampung irap ka sa loob ng 2 minuto. Binilang ko. Natauhan na siya. Nakikipag-usap na siya. Kaya nga sabi niya, nahirapan niya ako. Maldito siya. Tignan mo, ang kapatid ni Mukhtar. Ano yan eh, maritas din yan eh. Pero very light lang. Pero si Mukhtar, ano yan? Tignan mo ha. Kara. Oh, kita mo? Ganun ko siya tinatawag kapag may chichismis ako sa kanya. Matik yan, ang bilis niyan. Talaga naman, ayan na, nagsisimula na ang mga kainang magaganap. Everybody, just look at this. Okay, tinan mo. Every time we have a program, we're eating here. We're just gonna put like a carpet. Okay, no, it's not a carpet, it's baneg. What's the English of baneg? I don't know. Okay, Google it, everybody. I don't know how to say it. See my bebe. See? Hoy, he's so masipag, but he's a shindero. Really, they have a lot of workers, and they have a lot of lupa, and they have a lot of cars and tractors for their farms. Not farms. And look at the guy over here. Look at the Zilhak. He is the one who invited us for a dinner tonight. I'm so excited. Hoy, my baby is so humble. Sabi mana? Oh, see, my God, my baby. Diyos ko, day. Hindi na ako aalis dito. Char. Dahil ko pang pupuntahan. Bakit ngayon kita nakilala masyadong maaga? Wait lang. Hindi pa ako tapos. Wait, everybody. I'm not yet done to play with Sheikh Mosa. You cannot look at me. I told you, I really love him. He's so masayahin. He's so mababaw. See his face? I'm not even saying anything yet, but he's already laughing. Tumingin ka dito. Google Pay kita, magpakita ka. Dala mo pulang-pula. Ay, alam mo, if you wanna feel good, just look for him. You're really gonna feel good because he's so masiyahin. Like, tell him that even the corniest joke, he's gonna laugh. Like a genuine, ha? Oh my God, let's eat, everybody. The food. I can see, I can smell the food. Oh my God, it's there. Huh? And another food is incoming. Look. Oh my God, there's a lot of food. Again, my bebe is assisting. See, he's so mabait. He's so guapo, he's rich, but he's so humble. So here we are, everybody. This is the complete casting of the dinner for tonight. Mikot, focus natin sa bebe ko. Hi! At ang aking kaibigang oso. Charot. Tiara! Hi! Shake! Okay, si Sheikh Mosa. And the one who invited us. Silhak! Wait, hindi siya mag-focus. Ayan. Hoy, hindi lang pasabog, oh. Okay, so we're gonna eat now. I told you I wanna make this vlog as short as possible, but as entertaining as possible. But I don't know if how can I make this short. But okay, we're gonna eat now. I'm not gonna record it anymore, so I can make a few more. Hoy, everybody, I'm gonna show you again. Like after eating here, see.
Hey, everybody.
See, they're not even resting. They would clean up right away. I love that because me, I cannot do that. Because in the Philippines, if I cook, someone has to clean up for me. So if, for example, it's my mom who cooked, then wait, I still don't clean up pala. Wait, my mom is gonna watch this and she'll be like, talaga, naglilinis ka? Okay, no. Okay, sure. But it has to be like that. But see here, when you're a guest, like, you're really not gonna do anything. Literally. So yeah, I'm just showing you that. So, that's it. Kago. Hindi naman ako panguin. May kalapadan lang. Shoota. Hindi mo kaya nilalait ko sarili ko. So ayan, the dinner is finished. We are heading home. Let me see what else we can do once we get home. So once again, let's thank Zilwak. Zilwak, come here. Once again, let's thank him for arranging the dinner for us tonight. Thank you very much. I love the place. It's so good. And I have signal there. Okay, that's it. Let's see what else we can do tonight. Everybody, this is what village looks like around 10 p.m. See, nobody's around now. place is quiet. You're just gonna see like few young adults outside after 9 or 10, around 10 like that. See? In this area, it's the road is paved. Kung tama man yun, the road is paved. Kung mali, edi, bala kayo maganap kung anong alternative sa salitang yun. Pagod na ako. Bilis mapagod. Ako yung vlogger na ano, ang daling mapagod. This is the house of Pep. Ay, pinadrop niya pala si Ali. So, but this is their house. Ano ba? Teka lang, kay. Stis na lang gabi. Who's that? Sephora? How are you? Beautiful and perfect. So, the location of the dinner is literally like 3 to 5 minutes away lang. So, we're here. We have arrived in our desk. Alam mo, etong kanto namin dito, ang daming tambay. Kami yung village na hindi na uubusan ng tao sa alas 10. Remember what oh my God, Patan, the dog, ha? Remember what I showed you earlier? There's no people around. But here, in our kanto, pero okay lang because the tambays here are pogi. So, laban lang yon. Umuwi ka! This oras ng gabi, nagchichismis na kayo mga bata kayo. So, uwi kayo. Ay, why is it open? Watching television.
Normal.
Ha?
Talk to me.
What?
Talk to me.
Ngay, why I talk to you? Oh, magbabi na tayo sa baby ko. Oh, babay na. We're home. Eto na naman siya. Pala irap ako, no? Pag bad trip, pala irap. Kapo ng bebe ko, no? Tinan mo. Sulaymana. Okay. Tayo ay hahanap ng pagkain dito. Yes, the apple, big one. The party. Sasasayaw na naman si Mosa, oh. Nababaliw na naman.